Hi guys, and you're welcome back to my channel. So in today's video I'm gonna do like an updated video on Maybelline's Nude Nuance. I had posted one video regarding the shade and how it would look like on the NC42 and deeper or on dusky skin tones. I did the video 1 month prior, but I guess there were some glitches in the video and a lot of you were not able to hear my audio in it, and maybe I guess there was some lighting issue as well. So I thought, why not do like a updated video on this, because you guys found the review to be very genuine. So here I am with the updated video, and let's get started. Okay, so this is what the lipstick looks like. It comes with a plastic cap. You do not get any kind of outer box or outer covering. You just get a plastic film that's on top, and you do not expect much from a 299 lipstick, right? So it comes from a good brand like Maybelline, and this is what it looks like in a bullet size. The formulation is absolutely very comfortable, creamy, but it does not dry down to matte. Coming to the swatch, I'm swatching at two places. So one I'd be swatching on my wrist, and the other one I'd be swatching on the back of my hand, so you can have like a true picture. Now this is not what the actual color looks like once it's applied, so I'll be showing you that at the end of video. As for now, it looks like a milk chocolate color, but it varies from skin to skin. I wanted to give you like a very true color of how this would look like on skin, because I believe this particular colors look different on different skin tones. Okay, so I have like a bare face right now, I have nothing, and I wanted to show you the swatch on bare face so that you get a true picture of it. And this is what Maybelline's Nude Nuance is. So I'm just gonna apply it and then I'll talk more about it. So as of now, I'm wearing the shade on my lips, and I don't think I have to say much about it, because this color completely washes me. I am NC42 in my skin tone in MAC, and this is something that does not really be like a true nude color for me. Also, I have very pigmented lips, as you saw prior to this. So I really struggled to find like a proper nude shade for my lips, and this was such a hyped shade. I was really excited to try this on, but after I tried this, I felt like, you know, this is just one shade that's very much hyped about, and there is nothing special about it. I mean, you might not agree with me, it might suit you, but personally, this is my personal opinion, it doesn't look good on me. Also, I believe that if you're somebody with pigmented lips, this color would vary. Like, it does vary. In my case, it looks more like a peach or a pinkish nude, but if you're somebody with lighter skin tone, like if you're somebody with NC42 and lighter, then I guess this would look like a brown nude on you. So this is like loaded with a mauve color, because once you see this, it looks like a milk chocolate color, but this is not. Okay, it does not really come like a chocolate color on your lip. I would also give you like a closer look. Okay, and this is what the closer look looks like. My face is like completely bare. Anyway, coming on to the lipstick. So if you are somebody with deep undertones, like if you're somebody who's NC42 and deeper, this would look like a pinkish peachish nude on you. If you are somebody with light skin tone, this would look like more a brown shade with mauve undertones on you. Okay, so I would also like insert a picture of one of my friend wearing the same shade, and you would get to know how this looks like on different skin tones. Okay, but I was completely disappointed with the shade. I don't know what's so special about this. I mean, it might suit you, but this is definitely not a universal nude shade at all. If you're somebody who's looking for a perfect dupe for MAC's World, this is it. You should definitely go for this. This is like an exact dupe of it. I don't like to go for any color that washes me even of a bit, but I found an alternative of using this. Like, I don't want to waste my money, so I really found an alternative of wearing this, and I love wearing this as a blush on my cheeks. Okay, like very natural, and it looks more like a cinnamon kind of blush. and also gives you like that peach tint. Okay, so I really love that. I would also apply like a blush on my cheeks and show you. By the way, I have done like a hand swatch here which has faded now. Coming on to the formulation of the lipstick is very comfortable. It is creamy, but I'm more like a matte kind of person. I don't like to go for creamy lipsticks or satin lipsticks because I feel they show like fine lines on your lips. They are very moisturizing, but that's just my personal choice. It as a blush, it gives like a very natural looking blush. Does not really look like you're wearing blush, at the same time gives you a very flushed look. So yeah, I really like this. So that was my true opinion on this. Now I had shared with you like a hand swatch before this. I would also insert like a true hand swatch of how this looks like. Okay, so here it is on screen, and this is what the actual shade looks like. To explain more, it's like when you are cooking and you get burnt and there is that mauve purplish kind of burnt skin that you find on your skin. This shade exactly looks like that. I don't know why it does not appear as it is on its bullets color. It does not appear like that, but yeah, to be honest, this is what the shade looks like, and I was not really happy with it, and this is my honest opinion. I hope you really liked it, and what is your opinion on this lipstick? Please let me know down in the comment section below. A lot of you had told me you are not satisfied with it, and I didn't really find any positive reviews, so please do share your personal opinions on this. I'd love to read it, and yeah, thank you for watching. I'll see you guys in my next video. Until then, bye bye.